Hello, my dear, I don't know, two-stroke addiction guys, and four-stroke addiction as well. I'm 3D printing one more cage. I don't know how to call this detail, so the small detail for the reed valve cage, and this cylinder with this thread, it's the adapter for the flush system, because I have it, but I don't have the part which is connected, which should be connected to the pipe. And what I've done here, by the way, I've made this small hole a bit bigger, so now it's 7 millimeters interior diameter, because I've decided that more water would be better for the salt cooling system of the engine. Salty. Sorry for my bad English, because I'm originally Russian. It's my native language, and the English is not at all. I'll try to speak without mistakes, but don't judge me hard for my small mistakes. So actually my plans for today to print one more reed valve cage straighter, let's call it straighter, and to go to install them to the engine and to make first tests. Maybe in the evening I'll make a test run. But to be fair, with this 3D printed intake manifold, I think would be better to have a bit bigger wall thickness, because this wall is just 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters is not that bad, but still. What I have made behind the screen, let's say, before recording this video, I have made the thread for carburetor mounting bolts. It was a bit complicated at this side. I was not making it with the tapper, because as you can see, this one has a drilling section at the very beginning for centering of this bit, and the normal one has this sharp cone in the very beginning. And here, if you will see, I have no space between a runner and this flange, so it was tricky to make the thread with the thread cutting instrument, and because of that I've just made it with this screw. I was turning it back and forth so that it was heating the plastic, and with a small drop of W40, slowly but surely, like this, I have made a thread. Because if you will try to screw it directly, it will break the plastic for sure, because this side was printed with this kind of layers, because these two flanges were at the surface of the 3D printing table, and this part was printed with the support, let's say, in the sky, in the air. So see you soon near of the jet ski when I will mount it. I will use my head bracket for the GoPro, and you will see everything from my head.